From wherever you are in the world, I'd like to give you a very warm welcome to the city of Nairobi and to Strathmore University. We are lucky to be your host this year at the BeDoCare conference. I remember very fondly attending it in Rome, and it's such a great honor to be your host this year. You'll be in good company. We're expecting over 150 delegates from all around the world. We really resonate with the theme of BeDoCare because it speaks to who you should be, your values, and why you should do what you do, which is because you care. And at Strathmore, that's one of our hashtags, because we care, because I care. And that leads us to do things. So we're not just about theory, we really are concerned about transforming the society around us. And that's why all of us are looking forward to meeting all of you in this conference, because we know you're like Strathmore. You like to change things, you like to help people, you like to transform societies. And you're coming at just the right time. Everyone's talking about Africa's potential. We have the Africa 2063 agenda, which is all about development, and that's what all of you are helping in. And we also have the Centenary of Opus Dei, an organization in the Catholic Church that has inspired so many good institutions like Strathmore itself. Our Swahili way of welcoming someone is to say karibu. So, karibu Kenya, karibu Strathmore.